How much does siding replacement cost?
How much does it cost to replace my siding?
How much does it cost to replace my siding?
How much does it cost to replace siding?
How much does it cost to replace my siding?
So how much does it cost to replace siding? Well, there's a couple factors that would go into it.
It depends on what type of siding we're looking at.
It varies greatly on the types of materials, the finishes.
Are you going to do soffits, fascia, gutters?
The size of the home.
Depends on if you're going to do insulation, if you need to do new sheathing.
You could choose lap siding, which is your horizontal kind of traditional siding. You could do the board and batten, which is a vertical siding, or there's even shake.
Gutters, downspouts, sizes of gutters and downspouts.
Are you hardening your home against fire? This is a whole thing.
Occasionally we run into asbestos siding. That adds a major cost because you have to go through appropriate abatement steps to make that happen.
So the further away a job is, the more it's going to cost. If we have crews up in the mountains for a month, we have to get housing.
Once we get up into the mountains further away from the core of Denver and the hub of all of these companies, transportation up there gets more difficult.
Other pieces of a siding project might be something like windows and doors.
We always recommend doing them both at the same time. Is the most economic way to install siding and windows.
The best time to do a siding project is now because it's only going to get more expensive in the future.
You know, if you have a $30,000 job this year, next year it's $31,500.
But every year we do see increases in material costs on the siding side, the windows, doors, literally everything that's involved in these construction projects.
I would say in the Denver market, you're going to pay anywhere from $15 a square foot to $25 a square foot for a James Hardie type of siding.
In conservative terms, for a vinyl window replacement, you can add about $2,000 per opening.
Here at Bellwether, we totally understand that taking on a full siding exterior remodel can be expensive.
We understand this is a big project. It's probably the biggest project you're going to have on your house.
We really want to help educate and help you figure out what's going to be best for your home, for your pocketbook.
We realize that these home improvement projects are quite expensive.
There's lots of ways to pay for your siding, and we do our best to help make this an easy process for you.
We can work with you, we can work with financing options, we can figure out a way to get you what you need done. That's what we're interested in, is taking care of you. What do you want done with your house?
We have lots of financing options that we can talk through and kind of figure out what's going to be best for you and your home over the long term.